Hi, I'm James from Test and Tag Supplies. Let's have a quick look at an unboxing of a Kyoritsu 6205. The Kyoritsu 6205 is presented in this nice retail box. That's a bit unusual for an appliance tester. Most often they're just supplied in plain brown boxes, so it's nicely presented. Let's open up the box and see what's inside. Now the tester is supplied in this lovely canvas case, which has two halves, one at the front and one at the back. And the front contains the appliance tester and the back contains any of the accessories supplied. So let's first of all take the tester out the front side. So here's the instrument itself. Kyoritsu use a nice quality of plastic. The instrument is very well constructed and of high quality. If we just turn the instrument over, we can see battery panels in the back, which is where I'm going to install the batteries shortly. So let's flip the case over and have a look at the other side and what's included. And in here, we've got the IEC lead, which is used for extension lead testing, and also this other cable, which is used for powering the tester when you're doing leakage testing or doing RCD tests. Now it is a battery operated instrument, so this doesn't charge the instrument. It is only used for power during those types of tests. Place that there. We've also got carry strap and other accessories, which are 6 alkaline batteries, our earth test lead, and our crocodile clip and probe. So we'll attach those shortly and do a quick test and get the batteries installed. So my batteries are installed now, so let's flip it over and I'll quick look over some of the functions on here. So we've got a button for class 1 appliances, button for class 2 appliances, that's double insulated appliances of course. We've got extension leads, we've got a null feature which we'll use now, power button, a toggle for 250 volt or 500 volt insulation testing, our RCD testing option, a handy backlight if you're working in dark conditions, and then basic recording facilities with a memory, recall, and a print function. But we're looking at the 6205 here, not the 6205 Pro. So the memory recording function doesn't currently output to a test tag printer. You'd have to look at the Pro with Wi-Fi for that kind of feature now. So let's have a look, we'll turn it on. There we go. And it's now ready to use. One of the first things we need to do with the Kyoritsu is that it's got this null test feature. So before we start doing any testing, we need to zero the resistance, a bit like tearing a set of scales, to make sure that we're reading 0 and that the lead compensation is applied. So I'm just going to plug in the lead to the top of the tester. And you only need to do this when you first receive the instrument and periodically. We'll plug that in, we'll insert that into the earth test receptacle and just press null and you'll see the instrument will measure and then null its own resistance in the test lead. We're now ready to carry out a quick test. So the easiest appliance to have a quick look at for a quick run through is an IEC lead. So let's connect one up and have a look. So let's plug this IEC lead in. I just connect it at the top. Connect it into its outlet socket at the front, and we'll just turn the backlight on so we can see a little bit more clearly. There we go, and we'll just press the extension lead button. It's going to go through earth continuity, insulation, and polarity. All good, and a lovely feature here, big green flashing light to let us know that we got a pass result. If you get a fail, you'll get a red light. We can have a quick look at that. I'm just going to unplug it and try and get earth continuity when there is none. It's going to fail earth continuity and a big red flashing light to let us know there's a fail. So that's the 6205, just going through a quick IEC lead test there, showing the basic functionality and what you get in the box.